Hey, welcome to the morning brief. It's Monday, May 13th, 2024. So, yeah, good first day of the week after a good weekend. Hope you had a great weekend. Looking at the news today, we've got some U.S. numbers that come out at 9 o'clock. Actually, not numbers, but FOMC member Jefferson speaking and Mester both speaking, two talking heads at 9 a.m. Yellow item, not important. Tentative mortgage delinquencies. While not a super important number, it certainly gives us an insight into some of the underlying rumblings in the economy, and I'll be watching that. Otherwise, nothing else left on the day. Relatively light news day for Monday. Looking at the daily chart, so we've got 4 days up and then a down day, and then we're looking at possibly a third day up. Friday was slightly up. We're gapping up this morning, kind of riding this trend line. I think we're going to try to give this a retest of the highs eventually. In the short run, what do we got? We've got this high right here, which is 52.84. Could certainly be on the docket for today. Maybe if we get really rambunctious, we might go up to 53.07. I think 5,300 is certainly a number that is attainable today. Also, on the downside, these two little lows right here, there's some other lows back here. That's in the 51.92 area, is also certainly within range if we decide to go south. Volume has been declining on this move up, so that says that it may not be confirmed with volume and we may roll over. I do think it's possible we can come up and make a full double top. Again, I've talked about this before. This move up certainly does not reflect the fundamentals. In the end, the fundamentals will win. However, the win and how long does it take for that to actually translate into the market? Unknown. Looking at the inventory, we have divergence. So Friday we had up price action and we had down inventory. Remember that when we have divergent, it means there's a disconnect in the market. And that means there's large players are not buying into the up move. They are selling. So there's some divergence there. We'll have to keep an eye on that and see what happens. Looking at the overnight action, you can see that we had about 20 points of range, which is about normal. 22 is actually normal, so volatility not particularly high. However, we can see there's a very defined trend overnight. We'll have to see if that trend continues this morning. Looking at areas of support and resistance, we have a confluence resistance level of 52.6450. We're going to have some more resistance around the 52.80 mark. Of course, 5,300 is the big number we'll all be watching. If we can get above 5,300, probably 53.24 will be the next spot. So looking for resistance. What do we have resistance? We got a bunch of stuff going on right here around 52.40. Below that, 52.30, 52.20. Of course, 5,200 will be the kind of the line in the sand on the bottom side. So there you have your support and resistance levels. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 33.3% chance the market will be up, which means there's a 67% chance the market will be down today. That is from the historical Stock Trader's Almanac. I hope you have a great day today. Remember to comment, subscribe, and like. See you guys tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.